Stay tuned, stay cool, stay fun. This is what you need. You need a cup, a stir, goggles, droppers, pigment of your own, and test tubes. First, add water into your test tubes. Next, add oil into the beaker. Next, add 5 drops of pigment into the oil. That was so awesome how it looked. Go ahead and grab your star and just give it a little stir. Now it's time to put on your goggles. I should have did it long ago. It's like 1,000 years. Put a little bit of the pigment and the oil in the test tubes and wait 10 seconds, and then a pretty rainbow will appear. On second thought, just pour the test tube stuff into the beaker. Now I guess I have to wait 10 seconds for the rainbow to appear. My honest opinion, this experiment didn't work, and it really made me feel mad. And a good way to say this is, sometimes the experiment doesn't work, but don't give up. Keep doing the experiments. Stay cool, stay fun, and stay experimenting. Woo!